So
I always say this. You want to date me because you don't know me. Once you know me,
exactly.
you can't. Once you know
Yeah.
me, you can't tolerate me. You know, you just
Yeah.
can't. I'm a pain. I always say this. I'm such a pain to be with sometimes.
That is true. I agree. She's a real pain, dude. Like the last time I met her, I was just, my God, I just hope I don't have to see her again.
आयशा डैनियल ओपी कर लो एक साथ.
What is OP?
Yeah, OB is overpowered. In simple was तारीफ हो रही है, बस इतना समझ लो ना. I always say this. When somebody writes
Video game lingo, basically.
It's a
when
video
you're
game
doing
lingo.
well in a video game, everybody else goes like, "Oh, Aisha OP, Aisha's like killing it."
I know GG, which is supposed to be good game. So can
Yeah.
you all like just write Aisha GG?
But then you're not playing a game over here. We'll do that when the end stream ends. We'll be like, oh, good game, you know. But right now, when you're doing like good stuff and also like Aisha overpowered, man, Aisha OP, that's gonna be like over here. Yeah. With them, you're gonna talk about relationships, love, friendship, betrayal, all those things.
Ouch.
What are you doing? Why are you looking down, Daniel? We are like.
I'm reading the comments.
There are two pretty girls over here. At least one I'm sure about.
I also want to read.
The first question I read over here from Abrar is क्या Daniel relationship में है?
I'll have to check with my lawyer if I can give out that information.
There's a question by, I'm going to read this, by Simran. How do you know if he or she likes me, if he likes me or not?
It's very simple. Don't waste your time. Don't try to guess things. If he makes an effort and actually is out there saying he likes you, only then it's worth it. Otherwise, don't wreck your brain. Maybe he's doing this because he meant to do this. Fantasize the idea that, you know, oh, poor boy, he's probably not, he's trying to throw hints. No. भूख लगती है तो खाना मांगता है ना. So if he likes you, he will make an effort and reach out to you and make sure that you know he likes you.
How to approach new people once things open up? Are dating apps the only options?
What you need to do is, once the lockdown is lifted wherever you are and you get back to your life, just continue doing the same things you were doing before lockdown, but with a lot of sanitizer. समझा ना? Just
Ask them if one-sided love of long distance, one-sided love long distance work. Wait, hello. One-sided है, ऊपर से long distance
what is
है.
the question?
मैंने आगे पढ़ा ही नहीं. मैंने इसमें ही मुझे बहुत दर्द हो गया. Long distance.
नहीं पढ़ना. I like popping these bubbles.
Ask them if one-sided love of long distance can work. I have a crush on the same girl for 5 years. She still meets me occasionally and knows that I crush on her. I am a girl. I am telling you no. Like clearly no. She knows that you like her and she meets you once in a while and then she tells you, हाँ ये बंदा मेरे को like करता है. So like I know he likes me and that is it for her. There is nothing more or less
Okay,
than that.
I'll tell you something, okay, Swani. I think this guy, and this happens to a lot of guys who are young, like teenager types, you know. They think that, okay, I have feelings for somebody, so that means now that person will magically fall in love with me. तू बाल बनाने से ना वो तेरे से प्यार नहीं करेगी. Here's what you need to do. If you like a girl, go tell her you like her. So the best way to solve your problem is just call that girl up and just say, hey, listen, I like you. Is there scope for anything to happen here? And if she says no, please move on to the next person.
What a super chat. Like
People pay in money for that.
Oh, we're getting paid?
Not
You're getting money for us?
Yeah.
I didn't know this. We are getting paid. Damn cool, dude.
So you're not getting paid, Danny, but it's okay. It comes to me.
Yeah.
And she's like sending me ice cream for this, so we're sorted.
Bro, more than ice creams, yeah. Come on. Okay, the super chat says, what does Suhani want in a guy? I am vegan, 30 and single. So that's what I do not want in a guy.
You will be single for a long time, buddy.
Yeah. Like, that's not what I want in a guy. Exactly. Not that you're vegan or single. That you're super chatting this and asking me. Do you think that's what I want in a guy?
How will that person reach out to you? Like on Instagram, you will ignore. This person legit made an effort. An effort always counts. See, effort के पैसे है.
Like if a guy really likes you, let's say there's a guy who's seen your
I love
show.
how Suhani is just like 1 second. What the?
Yeah.
I'm calling this shots. What is
So like,
happening?
just say a guy has seen your show and he thinks, okay, she's really
He
pretty,
put
she's
another
very
super
talented.
chat now. you can like Aishwarya Rai, you can like Angelina Jolie, you put up an email to her, but what are you expecting a reply is what I'm trying to understand.
Can he find you? Otherwise, क्या show के बाद approach करूँ क्या?
नहीं, but ठीक है, मतलब but you can't really.
No, I'm trying to help the brothers out. Please, Suhani, he has done his part. He's put in the effort. Now, please tell him what he can do so that he could explore the possibility of dating it.
Shani suddenly seems like she's like sweating.
So there's another question. Do pickup lines work?
अरे बाबा तू वो पहला question answer करना. So how
I told you, na, Aisha. I told you this before only, that he hijacks conversations and streams. Look, this is what I was telling you.
Hijack
exactly what I was trying to tell you.
You're just comparing me to somebody who flew a plane into the Twin Towers. Shit, Suhani.
That's a really bad on Danny.
Hey guys, come on. If you like that joke, go Danny Dark OP. It's a dark joke, dude.
Guys, if you all do that, I swear मैं भारी judge करेगा. वो funny नहीं था.
I am in a long distance relationship since 14 months now. I was going to read years, okay. 14 months now, and my girlfriend is going abroad for further studies. We both are scared. Any tips?
When you cheat, now make sure you don't get caught.
Great. Anviti Singh has, Danny, I love you. Why don't we see you more on other streams like chess and quizzes that are trending on YouTube? By the way, this is not bad. I mean, okay. Would you do pickup lines work?
I'm thinking it really depends on the person. If I really want things to work with the person, तो कुछ भी चलेगा. मतलब चीज़ी से.
नहीं, but like somebody you've just met at a bar or something.
See, the thing is when you look at a person, you know कि इसको इस पे मैं hit करना चाहता है कि नहीं. Like you know क्या would I want something with this person or no? So if I want something with that person, मैं क्या हंसूंगी? मतलब मैं all the pickup lines will work. If I'm not interested, you can like come up with the I don't know most intense theories and that will also not work.
I think what a lot of if this was a guy asking a question, I think what women like is honesty and somebody who's real. The danger of trying to use a pickup line is you are using something you've read somewhere.
And
most people are not.
That girl has probably
already heard. Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Mostly, yes. Yeah.
जिस इंटरनेट पे आप स्क्रॉल करते हो ना वही इंटरनेट पे वो भी स्क्रॉल करती है. मतलब it's the same.
My friend break up 1 year before. Now his ex-girlfriend is back in contact with him and they are talking more late night and all. Now he asks me what to do. First of all, he's asking for a friend. Okay?
Yeah,
Let's
sure.
give them.
For your friend,
for your
of
friend.
course. Your friend,
Yeah.
not you, your friend.
Sushil is asking for his friend. And they're saying that the friend broke up a year ago, but now back talking again to the ex.
We need more information. Yeah, was the breakup amicable? Was it a bad breakup? Was it a toxic relationship? Sushil, did you cheat? Did she cheat on you?
So it's lockdown boredom. Maybe they've just gone back to each other because.
Yeah.
So this is happening. I think a lot of things in relationships happen out of boredom. There can be a lot of. Wait, Aisha, have you frozen or you just? No, she's frozen. Her screen's frozen, matlab. How much do looks matter?
No, I don't want to like give you this bullshit answer of they don't matter, guys. It's what's inside that counts. No, it matters. And if looks do matter, and if you don't have looks, make sure you make a lot of money. That will compensate for the gap. What you can focus on is personality, is presentation. So I have this rule, okay, that I follow. The three rules that I follow: look good, smell good, talk smart. So when you open your mouth, say smart things, complete sentences, commas, full stop, question mark, all of those things.
Look good as in whatever best you can. Like for me, it's like that. I mean, if you're able to present whatever or whoever you are in a good way, but for me, talks matter a lot. Like if you can talk well and if you can strike a conversation with me and hold that conversation for a longer time and it's interesting, I think that matters to me a lot. You know what, Daniel, what has happened? You have become like this person. Nitish ka ek super chat hai. Is there any magic trick to make Suhani go out with me, Daniel? Now people think that you're going to support people who want to. Now you need to change the impression.
Okay, guys. Okay, chal, I'll answer this question. I know Suhani for a while now. I know Suhani for a while now, and from whatever I know, she's really not looking to date right now. She's just most of the time always talking about work and therapy and stuff like that. I have not got that vibe from her that she's, hey, Danny, I'm looking for somebody, So it's just.
ये
I
मेरा
think
सच्चा
see,
दोस्त है.
so
I always say this. You want to date me because you don't know me. Once you know me, you
Exactly.
can't. Once you know
Yeah.
me, you can't tolerate me. You know, you just
Yeah.
can't. I'm a pain. I always say this. I'm such a pain to be with sometimes.
that is true. I agree. She's a real pain, dude. Like the last time I met her, I was just, my God, I just hope I don't have to see her again.
That is
Because
so
I didn't want.
not true. What is your take on marriage? Because that is something I think I have been bombarded by my family.
My honest take right now is marriage is an outdated institution. This whole concept of, oh, I'm going to just be in a legal arrangement with somebody for the rest of my life is bonkers. I think if you really want to be with somebody, just be with them. Now, why do you have to bring the government into it? Why do you have to make it legal? I'm just saying, be realistic about it. It's a 50-50 chance all the way. It may work out, it may not work out. And if it doesn't work out, it's not the end of the world. You will survive. Just go live your life till cancer kills you.
Okay, give me a thumbs up for pro marriage. But you think, marriage is not important and, we can live our life. A heart for singlehood. If you think that, and think about it and give me. Did you have a breakup phase? And for how long did it last?
I'll tell you this, okay? I've had so many breakups in my life that eventually I realized that all breakups are a scam. They are all a scam. They're an emotional scam that misleads you into thinking that, oh my God, my life is over. I can't go on anymore. Blah, blah, blah. But in that moment, you were so consumed by, oh fuck, how can I move on? The world has ended. I'm not going to eat food. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to talk to anyone. Yeah. So if you give enough time to any situation, you will get over it or under it, whatever,
Life is too short to date the same guy twice.
Yeah, I agree 100%. When you have a shot with somebody, you better make it count. Uske baad, if it gets fucked up for whatever reason, ho gaya, party karo.
Yeah, I totally agree too. Also, I've noticed, guys, that 71% of people who watch my videos have not subscribed to the channel, and that is very sad. Guys, subscribe kar do yaar channel ko. Just subscribe to the channel. I'll feel good. You'll get to know when I go live every time. Also follow me on Instagram for some amazing updates. That's all from me today. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye.